Indian banks allocate only 5% revenue on IT spends. The disparity between their IT spending and global standards is a significant hurdle to overcome. According to the BCG report, 75% of digital payments and loan and 25% of new digital accounts will originate from third-party platforms by final year 26. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Banks must prioritize IT spending to bridge the gap with global standards. The focus should be on technologies that deliver the highest returns, such as cloud computing, AI, and data analytics. As per BCG, almost 80% of the IT budget was spent on Run the Bank RTB, as compared to Change the Bank CTB, with a focus on keeping the lights on. The partnerships can accelerate innovation and access new technologies. The need to invest in skilled IT professionals is crucial for successful technology implementation. Secondly, prioritizing cybersecurity measures to protect customer data and maintaining trust is important. BCG projected that a global bank earning net revenues of more than $10 billion would spend 9.1% of that on upgrading IT infrastructure. In comparison, its Indian counterpart would only spend 3.2%, while a global bank marking net revenues between $1 billion to $10 billion would allocate 7.2% of that as IT budgets, whereas an Indian bank would spend only 3% of that on IT. The global financial industry has been rapidly changing with the advancement of financial technology over the last few years. The pace of fintech development has developed, and emerging economies countries is different. At the same time, customers increasingly expect seamless digital experiences. Insufficient IT investment can lead to poor service quality and customer churn. To remain competitive, banks, along with traditional banking, adopt fintech products to provide more efficient services to their customers to satisfy their needs. In today's threat landscape, robust cybersecurity is essential. Inadequate IT spending can expose banks to significant risks. The financial sector is heavily regulated. Outdated technology systems can hinder compliance efforts and lead to penalties. It is crucial for Indian banks to recognize that technology is no longer a luxury but a necessity. By making substantial investments in IT, they can position themselves for long term success in a rapidly evolving financial landscape. Let's look into today's headlines. An ASCI analysis finds that 52 of the 53 most popular Indian apps employ dark patterns. Some apps skillfully incorporate a paid subscription for free delivery to your purchase, which can easily be disregarded without many customers noticing it. This type of dark pattern, sometimes referred to as misleading design, occurs when websites or apps trick people into doing something they never planned to. 52 of the 53 apps examined in a recent study by Parallel HQ and the Advertising Standards Council of India used at least one deceptive pattern. Apple offers up to $395 in compensation to MacBook owners. Apple has started paying out compensation to unhappy MacBook users who have complained about malfunctioning butterfly keyboards. This action is a component of the $50 million settlement that the tech giant consented to in 2022 in response to a 2018 class action lawsuit. MacBook owners filed a complaint claiming that the butterfly keyboard was inoperable and unsuitable for its ordinary and intended use. TCS's value drops by 37,971 crore rupees. Amidst a negative stock trend, Ratan Tata's TCS witnessed a significant decline in its market capitalization last week. Within the top 10 most valuable corporations in India, it was one of the largest laggards. Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) saw the biggest decline in valuation among the top 10 companies, dropped by 37,971.83 crore rupees to 15 lakh 49,626.22 crore rupees. The IT corporation did, however, succeed in attaining the second place in the list of the most valuable companies. Reddit CEO claims Microsoft must pay from now. The social media platform Reddit's free data scrapping era is coming to an end, according to CEO Steve Huffman. If Microsoft and other businesses choose to use Reddit's data in the future, Huffman has claimed that they have to pay up as well. Reddit CEO emphasized the significance of these agreements in maintaining Reddit's data management and guaranteeing its appropriate use. Without them, Reddit would supposedly lose control and be more vulnerable to abuse because it wouldn't be able to manage how its data is utilized or presented. Serious flaws discovered in Apple products. Center alerts iPhone owners. A severe warning has been issued by the central government to Apple consumers because of several vulnerabilities present in iPhones, iPads, and other gadgets. In its alert dated August 2, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team 13 emphasized certain concerns such as spoofing and sensitive data leaks. Installing the most recent software updates is advised by CERT-IN to help mitigate these high-level threats. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.